Welcome back to Guidance Story. One sunny afternoon, Lily was walking through the forest. Her foot suddenly hit something hard. She stopped and looked down. There, half buried in the dirt, was an old rusty key. Lily bent down and picked it up. The key was small and it looked ancient, with strange patterns carved into its metal. She had never seen anything like it before. The moment she touched the key, she felt a strange tingling in her fingers, as if the key was filled with magic. Her heart started to race. What could this key open? Lily wondered aloud. She looked around, but there were no doors or locks in the middle of the forest. She had to find out what it unlocked. Lily hurried home. She showed the key to her mother, but her mother just smiled and said, "It's just an old key, Lily. Probably someone lost it a long time ago." But Lily didn't believe it was just any key. She felt in her heart that it was special. The next morning, Lily decided to search for the lock that matched the key. She began her journey by visiting the old places in the village. First, she went to the village blacksmith, Mr. Joe, who had lived in the village for many years. "Mr. Joe," Lily said, holding up the key, "do you know what this key could open?" Mr. Joe scratched his head and looked closely at the key. He said thoughtfully. "It does look old, but I'm afraid I've never seen a lock like this before, young one." Lily thanked him and continued her search. She visited the bakery, the schoolhouse, even the village well, hoping to find a door or chest that the key could open, but she had no luck. As the sun began to set, Lily felt tired but still determined. That night, as she lay in bed, she stared at the key, which sat on her bedside table. Suddenly a thought came to her. What if the key isn't for something in the village? What if it's meant for something hidden deep in the forest? The next morning, Lily woke up early, grabbed the key, and set off toward the heart of the forest. She walked for hours. Just as she was beginning to lose hope, she noticed something strange ahead. There, hidden behind a thick curtain of ivy, was a small wooden door, barely visible. Lily's heart raced. She pulled the ivy away to reveal the door more clearly. It was covered in moss, and the wood looked ancient, as if no one had touched it in hundreds of years. At the center of the door was a small keyhole. Lily's hands trembled as she took the key from her pocket. She slid it into the lock and turned it gently. With a soft click, the door creaked open. Behind the door was a dark tunnel leading down into the ground. It was cold and quiet inside, but Lily felt no fear. Instead, she felt excitement. With the key in hand, she stepped into the tunnel and followed it deep beneath the forest. The tunnel led to a hidden chamber. It was a large room filled with strange objects, old books, sparkling gems, and ancient scrolls. In the center of the room was a small chest made of gold. Lily knew right away that this was what the key had been leading her to. She approached the chest and, with shaking hands, inserted the key into the lock. The chest opened with a soft click. Inside was something Lily never expected: a small glowing crystal and a piece of paper. She picked up the crystal first. It was warm to the touch, and it gave off a gentle, soothing light. Then she unfolded the paper. On it were written these words: "To the one who finds this key, you are chosen to protect the light. The crystal in your hand holds the power of kindness, courage, and love. Keep it safe and use its power wisely. It will guide you in times of darkness and help you bring light to the world." Lily's eyes widened as she read the message. She held the crystal close to her chest and felt its warmth spread through her. She didn't fully understand what it all meant, but she knew that the crystal was important and that it was her responsibility to protect it. As she left the chamber, the tunnel behind her closed up as if it had never been there. The wooden door was gone too, hidden once more by the ivy. But Lily didn't feel sad. She knew the secret was safe. From that day on, Lily carried the crystal with her wherever she went. She didn't tell anyone about her discovery, but she noticed something amazing. Whenever someone in the village was feeling sad or upset, Lily would hold the crystal, and it would glow softly, bringing peace to those around her. When people argued, she found the right words to calm them down. When someone was afraid, she felt brave and helped them through their fears. As the years passed, Lily became known as a kind and wise young woman, always helping others with a gentle smile. She never forgot the day she found the lost key, and she knew that the crystal had given her a gift greater than any treasure, the power to make the world a better place. And so, the lost key was never truly lost. It had found its way to the one person who could use it to unlock the magic of kindness and courage. Let's learn some new words. Tingling meaning, a light, prickly feeling in the skin. Example, I felt a tingling in my fingers when I touched the cold water. Heart started to race. Meaning, to feel very excited or scared, making your heart beat fast. Example, her heart started to race when she saw the big dog running toward her. Ivy. Meaning, a type of plant with long stems that climbs walls or trees. Example, the old house was covered in ivy, making it look like part of the forest. Trembled. Meaning, shook because of fear, excitement, or cold. Example, her hands trembled when she held the important letter. Widened eyes, meaning, when someone opens their eyes wide, usually because of surprise or excitement. Example, his eyes widened when he saw the huge cake on the table. Barely meaning, almost not, or only just. Example, the kitten was barely big enough to reach the table. Chamber. Meaning, a large room, usually hidden or underground. Example, the treasure was hidden inside a secret chamber.